To find an excluded value, when you have more than just one letter or number, we have to factor that. So I'm going to factor this, which is r plus 6 and r minus 6. And that equals 0. That's what we want to find what letter. So first one was r will equal negative 6 and r will equal a positive 6. And those are the numbers that can't be. So those are the excluded values. Now if we want to simplify these expressions, we want to go ahead and multiply. This would be a negative 12 and x to the 7th over 9 x to the 6th. And so we reduce our fraction. 3 goes into this 4 times, 3 goes into this 3 times, we get a negative 4/3. And if we do the letters, we subtract the exponents, so 7 minus 6 gives us x to the first power. And so this is our simplified answer. To simplify rational expression, then we can find excluded values. So let's do that first, find our excluded values. So I'm going to factor the denominator. And by factoring the denominator, I get r plus 9, r minus 1. And so r cannot equal negative 9, and r cannot equal 1. So there's my excluded values, so I found those. So now I simplify. Since I already have it factored, I'm going to factor the top. So I take out my greatest common factor. And I already have the bottom factored. And I cross out what's exactly alike. So r plus 9 and r plus 9 cross out because they are the same factors. And so I'm left with 2 over r minus 1. And our excluded values are negative 9 and 1.